In the early 2000s, while I was a research associate professor of pathology at University of Washington, my research teams went on a screening expedition after we developed a proprietary assay to identify the most potent inhibitors, reducers of brain plaques. We screened hundreds of dietary supplements that were available in the marketplace for human consumption at the time, looking for a natural inhibitor and reducer of brain plaques that accumulate in the normal aging brain. Brain plaques, and then later tangles, were the two main culprits identified to be the actual cause of normal memory loss as one gets older. Our research team, while I was at University of Washington, identified an ancient plant extract known as Unquera tomentosa, or cat's claw, that was used for centuries by the Peruvian tribes for immune support and enhancement. We identified the cat's claw ingredient to be a potent inhibitor and disruptor of brain plaques. We then spent years screening different sources of cat's claw from different companies to identify the proprietary secret source that produced an extract with the most potent activity against brain plaques, and this was referred to as PTI 703 cat's claw. Years later, we also developed appropriate models to recapitulate brain tangles, consisting of a protein called tau protein, in a test tube, the other part of the spectrum of memory loss that occurs in normal individuals. Since at the time various peer-reviewed publications were touting the potential use of green tea and their specific polyphenol components as inhibitors and disruptors of plaques and tangles. We then screened different kinds of teas, including green tea, oolong tea, and black tea, from various sources to also identify the most robust inhibitor, disruptor of both brain plaques and tangles. We then identified a specific and proprietary oolong tea known as memmer tea from a proprietary source found to reduce and inhibit plaques and tangles as well. This 1-2 punch of two distinct plant extracts and potent inhibitors and reducers of brain plaques and tangles make up the innovative synergistic components of Percepta. Percepta is the world's first natural, plant-based neurotropic to target brain plaques and tangles for memory support and memory enhancement.